Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8th, video number 26, quadrilaterals, section B, tough. Let's start. Which of the following statements is correct? Let's see. First one, the diagonals of a parallelogram are equal. See, this is a parallelogram. Will the diagonals be equal? If you connect this to this and this to this, they won't be equal. This would be longer, this would be shorter. So, A is false. Next, the diagonals of a rectangle are perpendicular to each other. See, is it so? This diagonal and this diagonal, are they perpendicular to each other? They can't be. So B is false. Now C, if the diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect each other at right angles, it is not necessarily a rhombus. Let's see. In which of the two quadrilaterals the diagonals bisect each other at right angles or intersect each other at right angles? See this square. All angles are 90 degrees, that's okay. And so even in square, diagonals bisect at right angle, and in rhombus, diagonals bisect each other at right angle. So it is true. This rhombus also bisect at 90 degrees, square also bisect at 90 degrees. So is this correct? What does C say? If the diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect each other at right angles, it is not necessarily a rhombus. That's correct, because it can be square also, it can be a rhombus also. Okay. Here the word intersect is given. Even if it says bisects, then also it's true. But intersect is also true. Intersection and bisection, difference means what? Bisect means equal parts both the sides. Intersect means just crossing each other. See, this is intersection, this is bisection. Both parts equal. Here both parts are not equal. In exam, once you get C, you need not check D. But here I am giving you. Every quadrilateral is either a trapezium or a parallelogram or a kite. Is it so? There are 6 quadrilaterals which we know and which we study. But there can be infinite number of quadrilaterals. Means there are also called as convex quadrilaterals. There are concave quadrilaterals. There are many names. So this statement is false. So only C is true. Next, Vinay is playing in a playground which is of the form of a parallelogram. Okay. So he is playing over here ABCD. It's in the form of parallelogram. He observes that the diagonals of the playground are 80 and 60 meters long. Okay. So the playground is in the shape of, see here, parallelogram it's given. So kite is out of question. Okay. Why kite? Kite is out of question. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuvaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.